Hello, champs. Welcome to Little Champs World. Let's learn, play, and explore together.
1. I am a boy. I am a boy. 2. I am a girl. I am a girl. 3. I have a book. I have a book. 4. I have a pen. I have a pen. 5. This is my bag. This is my bag. 6. That is a chair. That is a chair. 7. I like apples. I like apples. 8. I drink water. I drink water. 9. I eat rice. I eat rice. 10. I go to school. I go to school. 11. I wake up early. I wake up early. 12. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. 13. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. 14. I take a bath. I take a bath. 15. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. 16. I open the door. I open the door. 17. I close the door. I close the door. 18. I open the book. I open the book. 19. I read a book. I read a book. 20. I write my name. I write my name. 21. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. 22. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. 23. I run fast. I run fast. 24. I jump high. I jump high. 25. I can sing. I can sing. 26. I can dance. I can dance. 27. I can swim. I can swim. 28. I can count. I can count. 29. I love my family. I love my family. 30. I help my mother. I help my mother. 31. I help my father. I help my father. 32. I love my teacher. I love my teacher. 33. I see a dog. I see a dog. 34. I see a cat. I see a cat. 35. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. 36. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. 37. The bird can fly. The bird can fly. 38. The fish can swim. The fish can swim. 39. I like to smile. I like to smile. 40. I am learning English. I am learning English. 41. This is easy. This is easy. 42. I can do it. I can do it. 43. I am strong. I am strong. 44. I am smart. I am smart. 45. I love to learn. I love to learn. 46. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. 47. Let's start. Let's start. 48. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. 49. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. 50. See you again. See you again.
Great job, champs! Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!